The two most popular ancillary marijuana stocks. The ancillary cannabis industry has benefited greatly from the growth of the overall market in the past few years. During that time, we have seen several leading pot stocks to watch come into play. With volatility being the highest with pure play pot stocks, some investors are looking for more stable ways to invest in the cannabis industry, and ancillary pot stocks could continue to show more stability than most. This is not to say that these pot stocks do not fluctuate. Rather, comparatively, they are more stable than most other marijuana stocks to watch. For this reason, investors have continued to pay attention to these companies. While there are quite a lot of pot stocks to watch in the ancillary cannabis industry, only a few have really made a big mark. These companies often have endeavors outside of marijuana which can help to fuel greater growth. The most talked about ancillary marijuana stock. Innovative Industrial Properties Inc. is one of the most popular ancillary pot stocks to watch. Year to date, Innovative stock has shot up by as much as 23%. Now, this may not seem like much, but with the world economy where it is right now, it is quite a substantial gain. During that time, Innovative stock report has also shown revenue that has grown 200% year over year. In addition to this, Innovative stock reported having a 250% rise in net income in the same period. Although it is not a pure play pot stock, Innovative stock has had a heavy hand in the cannabis industry. As a rate, it purchases and then leases properties to those in the cannabis industry. Additionally, the company is required to pay out large dividends, which now come out to around $1 per share. An ancillary pot stock to watch for the end of the month. Scotts Miracle-Gro Inc. is another one of the more talked about ancillary pot stocks. Scotts Miracle stock has grown for many reasons outside of its role in the cannabis industry. Scotts Miracle stock has grown primarily for its role in the home gardening sector. But after seeing the potential to help grow cannabis, the company quickly created the subsidiary Hawthorne Gardening. The goal of this was to better cater to the hydroponics market with targeted products. Just from Hawthorne alone, Scotts Miracle stock reported 60% in revenue growth in its most recent quarter. The company also stated that it expects sales to shoot up by as much as 35% by the end of the year. Scotts Miracle stock is talked about quite often because it has a stable place in the cannabis industry. Although it is known to be quite volatile seasonally, the company has a solid underlying business. For this reason, it continues to be viewed as a marijuana stock to watch.